Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model a very simple and basic plane in Blender, cartoon plane in Blender, very easy and very simple cartoon plane in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final image of a cartoon plane. This is our final image. I'm going to save the image. Desktop. I'm going to name it as one, and I'm going to save it as JPG file. Okay, so this is our final image of a plane cartoon plane model in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.